Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. As you guys can see from the title, this video is an eyeglass haul. This video is sponsored by an eyeglass company named Seeke. I will be showing you the glasses that I received from the company, and me and the company will also be doing a giveaway. We will be picking 2 lucky winners and giving you guys a gift card, giving you guys a $50 gift card each, so you can go on the website and purchase your own pair of glasses. So guys, if you like to see the glasses that I received from this company, continue watching. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. You already know, like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at lavishlooks_by Kiki. And yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so this video is sponsored by an eyeglass company named Seeke. They have a variety of different eyeglasses, sunglasses, fashionable glasses, and they have contacts. And with their contacts, you can get them with a prescription or without prescription, which is a plus. So they reached out to me, allowed me to pick out a few pair of glasses to try out and do an eyeglass haul on. This is something new. I've never did an eyeglass haul, so I'm excited. And also, we're gonna pick 2 winners for our giveaway, and I'm going to email you guys your $50 gift card, and you can go get you some sunglasses or eyeglasses or contacts, or you can gift it to someone, because you know the holidays is around the corner, so you can give it to someone as a gift. It's up to you. So I will go over the giveaway later on in the video, and everything will be in the description box below. The glasses that I'm showing you today and the giveaway instructions will all be down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out. The first pair of glasses we're going to get into. Now let me tell you, if I get these names wrong, I'm sorry. But these are called Meave, M-E-A-V-E, Meave. I hope I'm saying it right. Oh, and another thing, their glasses are reasonable. The prices are reasonable. They're not expensive. They're not $50, $60. They're a good price, so you can't beat that. So each glasses come with their own case. The pair of glasses I'm going to show you now, this is the case for them. They all come with a lens cleaner to clean your lens. And these are the glasses, guys. I think they're cute. They're like see-through with a tint of black. So, they give me schoolgirl vibes, you know? Check these out. You see? And you can put these with any type of outfit, any type of hairstyle. Like, you could do your thing with these. I think these are very cute. You can wear them as eyeglasses and get your prescription put into the lens, or you can wear them as sunglasses. It's up to you. But yes, these are the first ones. They're very cute. Yeah. The next pair come in a case like this. I like this case because it's black. Own lens cleaner. But these pair of glasses are called Elodie. E-L-O-D-I-E. Yeah, Elodie. So, this is them right here. I think they're cute. I love the black and then the clear. So, this is this second pair of glasses. Very cute, very fashionable. I love the big lens. It fits my face well. And it goes good with my curls, guys. So yes, this is the second pair. And I want you to leave me down below in the comment section which pair of glasses was your favorite. I want to know. So yeah. Let's get into the third pair of glasses. So these are called Aurora. And they come in this cute glass, this case. And it's like magnetic. See the magnet? And these are called Aurora. You see, these are skinny versus the other one was more thick. So that's not bad. This is the I picked majority of the glasses I picked are something that you could wear every day with any type of outfit. You can mix and match them. So I didn't want to get things with like crazy colors where I'm about to be like, okay, that doesn't match what I'm wearing today. All the glasses I have pretty much can go with any and everything that you wear. Everyday pair of glasses, okay? When you want to style your look up. So this is the third pair of glasses. You can see them from the side. Very cute, clear, see-through. Very nice, fit well, not too tight in the nose area. I think they're very cute, guys. What do you think? Get into these glasses, girl. So yes, this is the third pair of glasses. The lens also have like a tint of blue. So I think that you can't really see it on the screen, but they have a tint of blue. And I think that's very cute. Yeah, and it says an anti-blue light. So that's cute with these. Now let's get into the last pair of glasses, and then we're going to go over the giveaway details. So the last pair is in the case like this. Seeke name is on the case. Now these are cute, girl. Let me tell you, I think these are so dope. So the last pair of glasses that I'm going to show you, I believe the name of them are Deja. They are so freaking cute. Let me show you. And they have blue light blocking on the lens. Let me just show you them before I put them on. Get into the color. Like burgundy. Oh, I think they're so cute. Very cute, very cute. Like cat eye shape. Yes, get into it. Deja is giving it like it's given, okay? Let's put Deja on. Yes, wait, I want this off. Hold on. Let me clean Deja lens real quick, okay? All right, Deja. Do you see these? Do you see these? Do you see these glasses? Deja is given, okay? These are bomb. Check them out. Just be chilling, go out to eat, put these on like, yeah, what you talking about? You see my glasses. Very cute. I love them. I love them. I love them. They go with my shirt somewhat. Yes. Now, let's get into the giveaway. I gotta read them out. I don't remember by heart everything. All right, guys, giveaway time. What we've all been waiting for. All right. So I didn't make the rules. The eyeglass company made the rules. And I will leave their handle and everything down below. So to enter the giveaway, you must follow at Seeke_official Instagram and my Instagram, lavishLooks_ by Kiki. Follow both me and the eyeglass company. Like this video. Tag 3 friends in the comment. Tell them to join the giveaway as well. Share this video to your story and tag me in at Seeke_official for a higher chance at winning. There will be 2 winners for a total of $100 online gift cards. So you're each going to get a $50 gift card. This is for U.S. residents only. I am going to post this video on December 12th. The giveaway will start December 12th and will end on December 19th. On December 19th, I will pick the winner. 9 times out of 10, I will pick the winner and announce it on Instagram. So yes, when you tag your 3 friends and you do everything that you're supposed to do to join the giveaway, I need you to leave a comment down below letting me know that you completed everything and leave me your Instagram name. So when I go and I select my winners, I can announce them on Instagram, and then I need your email address so I can email you the gift card code, so you can go make your purchase and get you some fashionable sunglasses, eyeglasses, or contacts. I don't think the giveaway rules is too complicated. It's easy to follow. Just follow each step and I will pick the winner. So guys, good luck with that. I hope you guys liked all the glasses that I showed you today and enjoyed this video. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, okay? And follow me on Instagram, lavishlooks_by Kiki. Until next time, you already know, be blessed, be safe, and be healthy.